Hi, this is Diana with WTI. Summer is here and you need to get the Gaiatop portable fan. You will love it. Let me tell you why. The Gaiatop fan is so small, it fits on the palm of my hand, but it's so powerful. With 3 speed settings. Just put it to charge, and when I go out, I just throw it in my purse to use outdoors. It comes with a cute little cord that you can put around your wrist. Also, you can put it in your pocket or in your purse. This cute portable fan, it also comes with a stand so that you can use it hands-free while you work on your computer or just want to put it anywhere around the house. I know you will love the Gaiatop portable fan, and that is my point of view.